CIMB Debit Card. How to request or how to claim your CIMB Debit Card online. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon, nakapag-login na ako sa CIMB account ko, and from previous video, pinakita ko kung paano mag-open ng CIMB bank account and kung paano rin mag-cash in ng 5,000 pesos. So ngayon, eligible na tayong mag-request ng CIMB debit card. And by the way, kung interested ka to know how to cash in, online lang yan, and also how to open bank account sa CIMB, andito yung link. You may click this link sa taas to check those videos. And ngayon, dito sa bandang baba, tap ko tong card. And ang sabi dito is to get a free CIMB debit card, the following have to be completed. Verify na yung mga documents natin, nakapag-cash in na tayo, so parehong verified and completed. Ngayon, merong incomplete na part, which is yung delivery address confirmation. So, ang sabi dito is mapaprompt daw to upon verification of your document and successful cash in totaling 5,000 pesos. And you can get your free debit card where you can enjoy free withdrawals from 20,000 plus ATMs nationwide. Please present your valid ID to our courier on the day of the delivery. If you are not present to receive it, please prepare an authorization letter along with your valid ID to your authorized person. So kung hindi ka available para i-claim yung ID mo by the time na i-deliver to, pwede ka nang mag-iwan ng authorization letter kasama yung ID mo. And yung debit card daw is madi-deliver around 7 to 14 business days dun sa present mo or provide mong address nung nagre-register pa lang. So, tap natin tong get card now. Kindly confirm your address below where we will be sending your debit card. So, tama naman tong address na to. So, click ko yung confirm. And may sinend daw na code sa phone ko. So, hintayin natin yan. So, ito yung code or yung text. 937489. And sabi dito is na-update na raw yung present address. Your debit card now is on its way. I-deliver daw yung card within 14 days. And yung courier is pwedeng dumating kahit weekdays or weekends. Kung hindi naman tayo available, again, pwedeng authorization letter and ID natin na iwanan. So, back to homepage. So, stop ko muna tong video na to and update ko na lang once na ma-receive ko na yung card from CIMB. So, ngayon ay Feb 1. Hintayin natin kung gaano ba katagal ma-deliver yung card sa address na pin-provide ko. So, naka-receive ako ng message from courier, which is yung LBC, about sa delivery ng card ko na CIMB ATM card. And nung kinlaim ko na siya, nakuha ko na nga yung card, and this time kailangan na nating i-activate yung card, and also kailangan na rin nating mag-set up ng 6-digit PIN. Yun yung maganda dito sa ATM card sa CIMB, hindi mo na kailangan humunta sa ATM para i-set up yung PIN. Instead, sa cellphone mo lang, pwede ka nang makapag-set up ng 6-digit PIN sa ATM card mo. So, ito yung itsura ng CIMB card ko. Ito yung card number ko. So, ang kailangan ko rito is yung last 4 digit kasi i-enter natin siya later on. So, ito na yung account ko sa CIMB, and i-tap ko tong card ulit sa baba. And kailangan ko nang i-activate yung card. So, tap ko yung activate card. For this one, activate now. And please input the last 4 digit of your card number. So, yung huling 4 digits. So, that's 9. And click ko yung confirm. So, this time, kailangan ko nang i-enter yung 6-digit PIN ko sa ATM card ko. Importante na hindi natin dapat kalimutan yung PIN code na i-enter natin dito kasi ito na yung gagamitin natin every time na gagamitin natin yung CIMB na debit card. So, enter ko lang siya dito. 6 digits dapat. So, enter ko siya twice and click ko na yung OK. And card was successfully activated. Ganun lang kabilis i-activate yung card once na ma-receive mo na to. Ni-request ko yung card ng Feb 1 and na-receive ko yung debit card ng Feb 6. And sa experience ko, ang courier is yung LBC. And sa mga next video, gagamitin natin tong ATM card and also ibang mga features na pwede natin gawin dito sa loob ng CIMB na mobile app. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And kung may naisip kayong questions or topics na tingin nyo pwede namin i-share online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And ito pa yung mga videos na pwede nyo i-check online. I hope na makatulong to. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!